We went to a random lady's house in London to learn how to make Chinese dumplings. So her name is Pan and she runs these dumpling classes from her kitchen in Surrey Quays. And the class itself is about 3 hours long, where she teaches you the whole process from scratch. So first we started by making the fillings, then we rolled out the dough ourselves, and then learned how to fold and seal them properly. I'm not gonna lie, me and Yewande actually got the hang of it really quickly. Pan even said that we're really good, which I choose to believe. But the whole thing was honestly so fun, because at the start of the year we said we wanted to try loads of new things instead of just going out to eat all the time. Considering the year has literally just started, I feel like we're doing a pretty good job. So by the end of the class, we'd made the dumplings with 3 different fillings, and obviously the best part was getting to cook them and eat them. And I'm not gonna lie, they tasted so good. And shout out to Vieta for gifting us this experience, because we probably wouldn't have thought to book anything like this otherwise. Follow for more ways to venture out.